Today we have a 2015 Toyota Sienna, and the customer has requested that they wanted to replace the trunk shocks because sometimes it does not open all the way. So when you are opening the trunk, it stays stuck in one position until you're able to manually to open it up. Welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. And so today we are going to get started on replacing the trunk shocks. So in some cases that you might have some problems in trying to keep the trunk open, and so the trunk will sometimes close on its own. In some cases, if you're having that problem, that usually means that the shocks for the trunk is worn out, and you need to replace it. And now before you start the job, you probably want to place a long piece of wood or a long stick to hold the trunk open, or you can have a helper to hold the trunk for you. Otherwise, if you don't hold the trunk and you remove these, the trunk will slam down on the back of your head, and it will knock you out cold. So you have to be really careful. So make sure you have somebody holding the trunk for you, or you support the trunk with a stick or a piece of wood of some sort. You will need a trim tool, something like this, or a flathead screwdriver of some sort. And there are clips that's holding onto the shocks. So we're going to start at the top actually. So it'll be a clip at the back here. Make sure you have the trunk door supported. Once you get that clip out, you'll be able to pry off on the piece. Up, go up. Yep. You need to lift up on the trunk. Yeah. You know. So that part is out. And you do the same for the bottom, and then it comes right out. So now we're gonna replace the left hand shock here. This is the part number for the left side. They are not interchangeable for the right side. This is for the left side only. So this is the part number. This is the XLE all-wheel drive Sienna. It does have the automatic door for the trunk or the lift gate. So we are going to install this now, and these ones, they just normally they clip in, and you can see it says a L here for left side. So now these, you just need to push these in. You don't need the old clips. The new ones, they come with a new one. So you just need to push them in to see in the shock. So sit inside the stud here. And if I try to tug back, you're not able to get it out anymore because it's locked. You can go up a little bit. The same for the bottom one as well. I did the same for the bottom one, the same exact thing. And we are going to repeat the procedure for the right side. So we're going to do the same now for this exact same procedure. Need to lift up, lift up. Hold it. No, hold it. Okay. Same for the bottom. So here's the part number for the right side. I usually I like to install this on the top side first because it's a bit harder to access because of the room over here. So usually I just like to install the top one first. So it's the same thing as the other side. It it clips in onto the ball or the stud. Go up. You may need to adjust the trunk a little bit to get it to fit. And you just want to make sure that you tug back and forth to make sure that it's in all the way, and do the same for the top. So everything is all good to go. The trunk opens a lot faster now than previously, so it's holding a lot better, and and that's all there is to it. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day and take care.